And I was very lost and very alone, and I was like on like day 6 or something of being lost. I don't remember. I like slept in a hammock. I finally fall asleep, and I wake up in the middle of the night, and I hear breathing right next to my face. And I like wanted to turn my headlamp on, and I just hear like right here. Like I could feel her breath. And I was like 6 inches away from a jaguar's face, and she just like, and then left. And she just came in. She wanted to see what that was. She was like, you're not going to move. That's what you're not going to do. She growled like right into my ear. And then later on.
Wow.